These know me now, cause I got them big racks. Cause I'm getting money now. I know you heard that. Young on the corner that had to serve.
What's up, famous kids? You already know we back again with a... Oh, I thought I stepped on my shoe. With a lit banger. See? Look at me already talking about I'm stepping on my shoe. As y'all can see in the title, I'm just cleaning my room. I'm just like, y'all can see me clean my room because my room is kind of like a mess right now, and I just needed to clean it. Yeah, my room's like messy. As y'all can see, like, look at my bed. There's shoes everywhere. Every time I come home, I forget to put my shoes back on my wall or anything, and the iron's over there because I have to rush out this morning. Like, look at this. But before we start this video and before I start cleaning, make sure you guys subscribe, smash that like button down below, hit the post notifications bell, and share my YouTube. You already know what the deal is. Stay famous, you dig? No, I'm just playing. Let's just get into the video. You know that I'm beautiful. I mean, you're beautiful. Okay, so y'all, like I said, I came back from a field trip. No, I came back to see. I went to college today, Charles E. Drew College, if you know where that is, next to Martin Luther King Medical Center, and I got 3 bags today. No, let me do a thumbnail. Let me do a thumbnail. Okay, I'm just tie these up and gonna put these somewhere because I'm not gonna need them. But I'm most likely finna fast forward, so just prepare to fast forward, like. Two-step. 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 Y'all, like, pretty much the last part. What I have to do is do this part right here and put these lights downstairs because this Christmas lights, and why are they still even up here? So let's just get to this shoulder. What is this called? Ryan, what is this called?
What?
What is this called?
A ring light.
No, that.
A dresser?
A dresser. She got it for me, y'all. Okay, y'all, as y'all can see, I'm pretty much done with the room. I don't really wipe off the dresser like that, so it's gonna stay like that. Like, I don't know if you can see this, but yeah. I don't know what this is. But it's gonna stay like that. Oh, it can come off easily. Oh, never mind. It's not staying like that. Oh, I caught on to something. Good on my hand? Nope, it's not. Check out the slides. Don't mind my ashy little knees. Not ashy, they're just dark today. Yeah, so the room is pretty much clean. This is not that... It doesn't take that long for me to clean my room. I don't know how long it'll take me, but I hope y'all. I gotta show the room. Okay, y'all. So this is my bed. There's not a lot of stuff on my bed. I don't know where did it cut off from, but cause I'm recording on my phone right now because the card is full on camera. So yeah, there's everything that I need right there. No iron. 3 little bags. Everything's good over there. The ring light. Hey, ring light. My closet was a messy. Hold on, let me fix this real quick. Don't mind this. My hair towel because my hair dye is on it and all that. That stays like that. It's back up there. Perfectly fine now. The lights are gone because it was getting on my nerves. My backpack always hangs right there. We're just gonna just act like that's not here. This shoe was down there, so I put it back up. And that is my room, and I hope y'all like this video. Make sure you guys subscribe, smash that like button down below, hit the post notifications bell, and share my YouTube. You already know what the deal is. And Famous Kid out.
Deep know me now, cause I got them big racks. Cause I'm getting money now. I know you heard that. Young on the corner that had to serve.